This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play level 43 in Angry Birds 2. This challenging boss battle requires strategic bird flinging and careful planning. You will face Chef Pig across several stages, using the environment to your advantage. Focus on causing significant damage to earn additional birds and powerful spells, which are crucial for victory. Your initial moves are critical. Start by clearing any structures blocking the portals. The key is to get Chef Pig to enter one portal, which will then transport him to a different section of the level. Pay close attention to where he reappears, as this will dictate your subsequent shots and help you plan your attacks effectively. Dynamite is your best friend on this level. Aim to collapse structures so Chef Pig falls directly onto explosive barrels, dealing significant damage. Consider using Silver for her unique dive ability to bring down heavy structures. Blue birds are excellent for hitting several smaller targets or breaking through ice, maximizing your destructive potential. To defeat Chef Pig, you need to apply consistent pressure. Don't hesitate to use your spells when you encounter particularly stubborn structures or need to deal a burst of damage. The Chili spell can make a pig explode, while the Duck spell can clear many blocks. Remember, every hit on Chef Pig, or every piece of debris that strikes him, contributes to your victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.